The car ownership of the urban residents has exceeded 80 million and is still increasing dramatically with the rapid economic growth in China. The public car park development hardly meets the ever-growing parking demand. Parking contradiction has become increasingly prominent and often results in the surrounding public traffic congestion. Besides, most of the car parks are located underground level of the building. Due to the lack of natural light sources, huge amount of power is needed to light up a large quantity of lighting equipments continuously. This has caused not only huge waste of energy and equipment losses, but also the very large financial burden on property management. How to make full use of the limited parking resources to best meet demand for the parking of vehicles. How to satisfy the car park lighting requirement with minimized energy. These have become the major existing problems to be solved.